Everyone, in this video we will compare CryptoTab and NiceHash. One mines Bitcoin while you browse the internet and the other gives you powerful control over hash power. But which one is the best for you? Let's find out. Let's start with CryptoTab. CryptoTab is a browser with built-in Bitcoin mining. You can use it like any regular browser on desktop or mobile, and it mines Monero in the background, converting your earning into Bitcoin. The main advantage is simplicity. No extra hardware or setup is required. Just install the browser and start earning. It supports both mobile and desktop, offers daily payouts, and has a low withdrawal minimum. However, while it sounds like an easy passive income opportunity, the mining speed is extremely slow. In fact, most of the revenue usually comes from their referral program, not from the mining itself. Now, let's look at NiceHash. NiceHash is a full power hash power marketplace. Once you install their software on your mining rig and connect your GPU, CPU or ASIC, you can either rent out your hashing power or mine the most powerful algorithm at that time. On the top of that, NiceHash also includes a built-in crypto exchange or for trading. The platform is much more powerful but does require proper mining hardware and some technical setup knowledge. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching.